So hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the practical file of class 10th information technology subject. So you can write your school name. First page will be the front page. So front page should be impressive one. So there the front page you can write like whatever your school name is there, you can mention that. Then your school name, practical file, for which year you are submitting, guided by whom, presented by whom. Like this way you can draw your first page. Now there are 16 programs or 15 programs as mentioned in the CBSE curriculum, skill subject curriculum. So from 15 programs, 5 programs from the base topic, 5 program from the calc, 5 program from the writer topic. So 15, total 15 program you have to write, but I have created one here extra. Those who want to make the file like this can refer the video. So write the steps to create table employee in design view. Then to sort the data on the basis of column E name. Third one, to increase the salary of all employee by 10,000. To write a query to create a table item, and the query is based on the questions. You have to create a form, create a report. So all these 6 questions are from the base unit. Which unit? That is OpenOffice base. So next is write a steps to consolidate the data of the 2 sheets in OpenOffice calc. So this 7th program is from the calc. Here this is from the writer. Next, to create a new style in OpenOffice writer. This is from the again writer. To record macro from OpenOffice calc. To explain the concept of scenarios, again OpenOffice calc. Here also OpenOffice calc. So we have seen around 4 programs from OpenOffice calc. This one is your 5th one, to explain the concept of subtotal. Then steps to insert table of the content feature from writer. Steps to insert image from the hard disk drive in writer document. Steps to create a template using wizard. So like this way you can maintain the index page of your practical file. Now for each program, whatever we have discussed, what you have to do, you have to write the program and paste the screenshot step by step. So this program 1, write the steps to create table employee in design view. How you can create all the screenshots you should paste in your program. Second one, to insert the data in table employee and sort the data on the basis of column E name. That sorting also you should explain which tab or which icon you have to press. All these information you can write in the written part and paste the screenshot. How data is in ascending order, how data will look in ascending order, so that you can mention. Now here you can write the query. Third program, write the steps to increase the salary of all employees by 10,000. So you should write the query and paste the screenshot. Then how to create the table items. That query also you can write. Create a form for the school database created in the above activity. Populate the table marks using the form. So for how to create the form, that steps, all 8 steps you should paste the screenshot, and after that you can see you can populate the marks from the table. Then for the report also, how to create the report using the wizard template, that all screenshot you can paste. Here also 6 steps are there. So what are the column values, how it will look like, the report how it will look like, so that screenshot also you can paste. 7th one is write the steps to consolidate data. This is from the OpenOffice calc. You can take the 2 sheets in which PWT 1 marks is there, PWT 2 marks is there, write the steps and then consolidate the data of PWT 1 and periodic test 2 in 3rd sheet. Link to source data you have to select. So all the screenshots you should paste. Here you no need to write in the practical file, you can directly take the printout after performing the steps. So program 8 is explain the styles given in the styles and formatting windows. All the styles you have to explain. Then program 9, to create new style, how to create a new style from selection, that steps you should mention. Program 10, to record macro. What will macro do? It will allow the same formatting to all the open workbook or open sheet. So how to record it, that steps you can mention, and paste the screenshot. Then program 11 to explain the concept of scenarios, how the simple interest will change depending on the principal rate and time value. So that also you can explain with the screenshots. So write a program to explain the sub concepts of goal seek. So goal seek, how the value percentage will change depending on the one subject marks. If CS marks you have changed, how much CS marks you should take to get the overall percentage as 70. So like that you can explain the goal seek concept. Then explain the concept of subtotal, stream wise how it will be arranged if you want to show the data. So program 13 to explain the concept of subtotal, again from the calc unit. Next, steps to insert the table of content feature, screenshot you can paste. Explain the steps to insert an image from the hard disk drive. That also you can show how to insert the image from the choose picture menu or from direct insert picture dialog box. Last program, steps to create template using wizard, how to create the template, how to give the template name. So like this you can make the practical file for class 10th. So these are the 16 programs which we have discussed in short. So if any doubts are there, you can mention in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such updates. If you want the PDF or Word document of this PDF, you can mention in the comment section. Thank you all.